And I'm the Konsel from the Chinese consulate and stationed in Curacao. But our consular areas covers and 6 Dutch Caribbean islands. And the purpose of to visit the Bonaire, and I think maybe there's 2 main purposes. The first one is to talk with visit the local government to talk about the future cooperation and between China and the Dutch Caribbean and the Bonaire, and the Chinese consulate, and works like a bridge connecting the Bonaire, Curacao, Dutch Caribbean to China to promote the cooperation and the exchange of the information and the people, and of course the culture. And the second one, and I come here to take the passport application for the local Chinese and provide the convenience.
You're talking about the Chinese passport application?
Correct. Yeah, Chinese passport, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a way of facilitating, so they must not go to Curacao. They can do it on Bonaire, the petition?
Correct. Yeah, correct. That's true.
And you're gonna have an office here on Bonaire, or?
No. And maybe in the future, I hope we have a branch office.
Okay, so go to the Chinese Commission here on Bonaire.
Yeah.
Mr. Yan represents, and he's gonna represent, let's say, do the necessary petitions. If people want to do the petition, they go to the Chinese Commission on Bonaire.
Yes, yeah.
And then they send papers for you to Curacao.
Yes, correct.
And did you already met with the government, or yet next week?
I met the government already.
Okay, how was the meeting?
Good, very good, and very fruitful. And we talk about the cooperation, the possibility, and I hope, and in the near future, and it comes true. Yeah.
This means that in the future or near future, can we expect a visit from representative of China on Bonaire to keep reinforcing the relationship between Bonaire and China? Can we expect that?
Yes. And as I said, and we opened our Chinese consulate in Curacao, and almost 3 years ago, and our Consul General, the representative of the Chinese government, and visit this island already. And I think once, and I think in the future, and more visit will be made.
Can we say, Consul, that the amount of people reaching and living in Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, it's increasing every year? Do you have the figures?
So far, no, and I don't have the exact number, but I think increased, but not very much. Yeah.
Last words for the public of Bonaire, especially the Chinese community living on Bonaire, on behalf of the council, please.
Okay, and the Chinese community and living in Bonaire, and they work very hard, and also to get along with the local people very well, and the local people are very friendly, and like a family, big family. It's impressed me very much. Yeah, and we always ask the local Chinese to abide by the local law and the regulations, to contribute and make contributions to the local community, to the local society.